Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix Android app not installing problem. So to do that, let's head over to Play Store. So if you see any app you're trying to download or trying to install through Play Store is not happening, you have just to keep tapped on your Play Store or long press on it and go to the About Information section. And here you will find the storage. So you have to go to the storage. And in here you will find the cache memory. So clear the Play Store cache and go back. And now we open or restart your Play Store again. And now try to download or install any app you want. And hopefully this problem will get solved now and you can install any app you want. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will see you in the next video.